Since 1999, Priority Communication Systems has been the silent backbone of Canada's most vital communities. From advanced healthcare infrastructure to secure business networks, our 25 years of integration expertise is your ultimate advantage. Technology must be monitored to remain reliable. Monitoring and service support protect long-term system performance. Without proactive monitoring, faults go unnoticed and downtime increases. Priority Communication Systems provides monitoring, preventative maintenance, and responsive support for integrated systems. Proactive service reduces downtime and supports compliance. Monitoring services support all PCS technology solutions nationwide. Learn more about monitoring and service support at Priority Communication Systems. Visit PriorityLimited.com.